Hey everyone, and welcome to the Islamic Quiz channel. So, let's begin this journey of knowledge and reflection. Let's go. In Islam, what does the term halal mean? Answer is permissible, lawful. Which of these animals is categorically haram for Muslims to eat? Answer is pigged pork. To be halal, what must be invoked at the time of an animal slaughter? Answer is the name of Allah. Which of these is a key method of slaughter expressly forbidden in Islam? Answer is strangulation. Which food is described as having a cure for people in the Quran? Answer is honey. Which of these is considered haram? Answer is blood poured forth. According to the Quran, what is the general rule regarding all things? Answer is they are permissible unless stated otherwise. Which of these is a sunnah food, especially for breaking fasts? Answer is dates. What is the ruling on consuming meat from an animal that died of natural causes? Answer is forbidden, haram. Which intoxicant is explicitly forbidden in the Quran? Answer is khamr, wine intoxicants. Which of these foods are mentioned together when Allah swears by them in the Quran? Answer is figs and olives. According to most scholars, what is the status of seafood like fish? Answer is generally halal. What is the status of carnivorous animals with fangs, e.g., lions, and birds of prey? Answer is haram. Which common food additive is often haram because it is derived from pigs or non-halal animals? Answer is gelatin. What is the status of cheese made with microbial vegetarian rennet? Answer is halal. Which Quranic verse allows consuming otherwise haram food in a state of dire necessity? Answer is Surah Al-Baqarah, 173. What is the pre-dawn meal before the fast of Ramadan called? Answer is suhoor. What is the meal to break the fast at sunset during Ramadan called? Answer is iftar. Which of these is a core prohibition during the fasting hours of Ramadan? Answer is drinking water. During which holy month are Muslims obligated to fast? Answer is Ramadan. Which school of thought generally forbids shellfish like shrimp and crab? Answer is Hanafi. Which of these is a food specifically mentioned as a descriptor of paradise in the Quran? Answer is milk. What is the term for food whose permissibility is doubtful or unclear? Answer is mashbu. What is the key requirement for meat from the people of the book, Jews and Christians, to be halal? Answer is it must not be dedicated to idols and be from a halal animal. Which of these is a common source of non-halal enzymes in cheese production? Answer is pepsin, from pigs. What is the ruling on consuming lard, pig fat? Answer is haram. Which of these is a major certification body for halal food in Malaysia? Answer is Jakim. What is the minimum requirement for meat to be considered Zabiha at halal? Answer is invoking Allah's name. According to the Quran, what category are all good things generally considered? Answer is halal. Which animal is mentioned alongside horses and mules, leading some scholars to forbid its consumption? Answer is donkey. What is the Islamic concept that permits haram food in a life-threatening emergency? Answer is darura, necessity. Which of these is a common red food coloring that may be haram due to its source? Answer is carmine, from insects. What is the primary reason intoxicants are forbidden? Answer is they cloud judgment and are work of Satan. Which of these is a common sweetener mentioned positively in Islamic texts? Answer is honey. What is the Islamic term for the prescribed method of ritual slaughter? Answer is Zabiha. Which of these grains is explicitly mentioned in the Quran? Answer is corn. What is the status of game, land animals, hunted during the state of Ihram for Hajj or Umrah? Answer is forbidden. Which spice is mentioned as a flavoring in a drink in paradise in the Quran? Answer is ginger, zanjabil. What must be avoided to prevent cross-contamination that can make halal food haram? Answer is contact with pork, alcohol, or non-halal meat. What is the general status of all fruits and vegetables? Answer is halal. Which of these is not a condition for an animal to be halal? Answer is it must be a certain color. What is the ruling on consuming frogs? Answer is haram according to most. Which of these is a crucial practice during Ramadan beyond fasting? Answer is increased charity and Quran recitation. What does the word haram literally mean? Answer is forbidden, unlawful. Which it marks the end of the fasting month of Ramadan? Answer is Eid al-Fitr. What is a major concern with many chocolates and gummy candies? Answer is they contain non-halal gelatin. According to a hadith, what should be the ideal proportion of food in one's stomach? Answer is 1/3 for food, 1/3 for drink, 1/3 for breath. Which type of vinegar is typically considered non-halal? Answer is malt vinegar, if alcoholic. What is the primary purpose of Islamic dietary laws? Answer is to obey Allah, ensure purity, and promote well-being.